So I'm Sofiat. I have been teaching at GA for a little under 4 years. I teach product management as well as AI skills courses. So I am a privacy lawyer recovering every day. That's my favorite part about that job. I am also a former product manager. So I've had the privilege of working at places like the College Board, which brought me my love for education, Wells Fargo, Salesforce, United Way, really deeply ingrained in the product systems at those places. And then went over to Facebook, where I was on the privacy team looking at making sure people's information was secure from a legal perspective. And then now I own my own startup, and I've done that for 6 years. So venture-backed fintech company, and I get to do this on the side. Honestly, I think the best part about GA is that the instructors are actually experts in the field. So you're getting training from people who live these roles. I think that brings a decent amount of learned experience, of course, but it also allows us to look at different complex problems and answer things in real time. So the fact that GA is so focused on experts actually executing on the coursework, experts being ingrained in the actual development of that coursework, sets it apart from other organizations. But I think from a product perspective, you cannot avoid it, right? You can't avoid what AI is doing. It is the ultimate disruptor in the last 2 years, and I think it'll continue to disrupt products in a lot of positive ways, but also in ways that people need to be, thoughtful about. So when it comes to this type of coursework, being able to understand when you should make a decision in terms of go or no go to implement AI or not is the things that we're trying to teach, because again, it is a decision that every product person is having to grapple with right now. But I also think that there's a sense of like the more things change, the more things stay the same, right? You still need to be fully ingrained and aware of like the fundamentals and taking yourself back to basics and playing like just really clean basketball. You know how basketball is all about the fundamentals? I think product is too. I think, there's this resurgence of needing to understand how you can execute and how you can execute efficiently, and then applying those, fundamental skills to all these different, problems that exist in the industry. My absolute favorite part is the learners. Like, I love when learners have an aha moment and they feel like they've, taken something that I've experienced and they're able to apply that to their lives. I'd love for you to join me in my next class.